welcome to my channel. I'm Liz, and today I wanted to film a coppery, rosy eye look for you. I'm using the Colourpop Dream Street palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. I think you can do so many different looks with it, and I wanted to share this one with you. If you're new here, please subscribe, please like, give me a comment. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching. Before starting with eyeshadow, I prepped my face with foundation and concealer, and then I wanted to show you what the Dream Street palette looks like up close. There's some warm tones, there's some browns, and then some pops of color as well. I recommend priming your eyes before we do this look because some of the shades we'll be going in with are very pigmented, and you don't want them to stain your eyelids. The first color I'm putting down on my lid is the shade Stardust. I'm going to take a big fluffy blending brush. This one is the JH32 from Morphe, and I'm just going to drag that all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner in windshield wiper motions. This really sets the base for the other colors we'll be using, and I'm just repeating the same step on the other eye. Now I'm picking up a denser, smaller blending brush. I'm using the JH33 from Morphe, and I'm picking up the shade Sweet Dreams, and I'm going to start to pack that on the outer corner of the eye. I slowly started to blend this shade into the crease because this will help make the overall eyeshadow look a little bit more vibrant. I really like this rosy shade, and I wanted that to be the undertone for the rest of the look. With that same blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Water Bearer, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of the eye. You don't have to worry about being too precise with these shadows. These ones are just going to be the stage for the better star of the show eyeshadow, which is coming later. Now I'm going back in with the fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the upper part of the eye. This is just so that we don't have any harsh lines. The shooting star of this eyeshadow look is the shade Shooting Star. Hey, see what I did there? I'm going to be applying that using my finger. Once I finish applying that shade to the other eye, I'm going back in with my stiff blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the shade Water Bearer, and I'm going to bring that back on the outer corner of the eye. I did this to return some of the richness to the eye. This creates more of a smoky effect. Again, just to blend out the upper portion of the lid, I'm taking the fluffy blending brush and going back and forth in windshield wiper motions on the upper portion of the eye. Now I'm going to pick up a flat definer brush. This one is the Morphe JH43, and I'm going to take the shade Sweet Dreams and begin to pack that onto the lash line. To blend out that vibrant color, I'm going to pick up a pencil brush. This one is the Sigma E30, and I'm going to take the shade Stardust, and I'm going to drag that from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner of the eye. To create more of a smoky effect, I'm going back in with Water Bearer on the pencil brush, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner of the bottom lash line. Now I'm going in with my precision highlighter brush. This one is the JH42, and I'm going to be picking up the shade Elfish, and then I'm going to be putting that right underneath the eyebrow. The camera wasn't really picking up how beautiful this shade looks under the brow, but in a second I'm putting it in my inner corner, and you can see how reflective and flattering it is. I find that when you highlight the inner part of your eyes look a lot more open and you look more awake. To finish the eyes, I'm picking up the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my top and bottom lashes. To finish off the face makeup, I'm taking the bronzer Private Party from Colourpop, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. Now for blush, I'm taking an angled contour brush, and I'm using the pressed powder from Colourpop called I Need Space, and I'm working that color from the apples of the cheek upward. Moving on to lips, I'm taking the lip pencil from Colourpop in the shade BFF, and I'm going to use that to outline the shape of my lips. To finish off my lips, I'm taking the Colourpop Lippy Stick in the shade Aquarius, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. Here's my completed look. Thank you again for watching.